Just like the previous assignment, you will start a new D-size drawing. In this case, there's no need to display the sheet format. Use the View palette and browse to the part 1544 2017. Drag the front view onto your sheet. Project to create the right side view. Select the front view and set the hidden lines to display. Select the Auxiliary View tool from the View Layout tab, then select an edge on the inclined face. Left-click again to place your view. Turn the arrows off and delete the view label. Hidden lines are not shown in auxiliary views, so set them to hidden. Next, you want to hide all the edges that are not on the inclined face. Left-click each edge and use the Hide Element tool on the toolbar. Repeat to hide all the edges. Left-click on one of the center marks and hold down the Control key and select the other. Adjust the angle to 0. Notice this hidden line is a symbol representing a threaded hole, and it should show in all views. Create another auxiliary view from the front edge of the cylinder in the front view. Turn off the hidden lines, delete the view label, and adjust the edges just as before. You'll want to get into a habit of adding center marks and center lines to all your drawings. Those tools are on the Annotation tab.